Sorry guys.
सॉरी गाइस, माफी चाहता हूँ। रुकावट के लिए खेद है। सॉरी गाइस, रुकावट के लिए खेद है। कुछ इश्यूज आ गए, टेक्निकल डिफिकल्टीज। सो जब तक कि हमारे गेस्ट ज्वाइन होंगे लाइक नेक्स्ट फ्यू मिनट्स में विल हैव अ क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर सेशन। यस, आंसर्स देखो। ओके, okay, yes. All right, yes, so I think she's here. Can you send me a request, Rubina, so that just send me a live request. Request भेजो, request. So guys, our special guest is here now. Okay, how do I send request? Just if you scroll back, just scroll up. आप अगर scroll करोगे तो वो first thing you will see like send a request to join the live, right? Let me manually add you. कुछ नया ट्राई कर रहा हूँ, like let's see. Maybe that should help now. So if you see Rubina, आपको request आया होगा शायद मेरी तरफ से. Rubina, you can see now I have मैंने एक request भेजा आपको. Just check. Sorry guys, रुकावट के लिए खेद है. I think कुछ टेक्निकल इश्यूज आ गए हैं, मे बी नेटवर्क. Yeah, finally we have someone. All right, I think request आ गई है. Hi.
Hi. I am so sorry for this whole group, man. मतलब के लिए टेक्नोलॉजी हैंडीकैप के लिए खेद है, बहुत बड़ा खेद है.
Yes. So how are you guys? कैसे हो आप लोग?
We are good. How are you?
I'm good. Can you hear me? आपको आवाज आ रहा है मेरा?
Yes, now we can.
Yes.
अच्छा, clear.
Yeah,
you can see me clearly, right? आपको दिख रहा है clear? Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Let's not waste people time more. Like they are already excited and waiting for it. So, first of all, welcome to Magic Session Live with the Masters of Magic series, what we are calling. And so something about me. People know also like just I am a magician from in Mumbai itself, but मैं राजस्थान से हूँ. So in this series we're gonna do हम लोग कुछ not traditional magic but like more of close up, interactive and virtual. So let's try something new. Okay, so but first thing first. So Abhinav, I think मेरे पास आपका email address है. Okay, and I'm gonna मैं एक चीज सेंड करने वाला हूँ स्क्रीनशॉट लेके, ठीक है? तो आपके
Okay.
पास फोन है, राइट?
Yeah.
इतना कंफर्म करना है कि आपको बस ईमेल रिसीव हुआ. डोंट ओपन द ईमेल, ओके? जस्ट
Okay.
सी द नोटिफिकेशन दैट इफ यू गेट अ नोटिफिकेशन, बता देना कि यू रिसीव द ईमेल, ओके? दैट्स फाइन. देन वी विल
Okay.
लेटर कम टू इट कि उसके बारे में क्या करना है. So normally मेरा show start like I do this with this only. So let's try. I'm gonna send you what I think happened. I'm gonna send.
Okay, I'm right on my page.
Just let me know. बता देना खाली email.
I won't.
I think इनका video stuck हो गया वापस.
Not yet.
Can you hear us? Video receive हुआ?
Not yet.
Email. Okay, let's see.
No.
Okay,
Not
that's
yet.
fine. We'll come to it. Maybe there might be some technical difficulties. Maybe that's fine. We'll come to it later.
Okay.
But let's try something different actually. Okay, something very interesting. Something completely
Okay.
different. So, in the meantime, what you can do is we'll do as interaction. आपको क्या करना है? Just people are commenting. So just for 2 minutes or 1 minute, just reply to them, talk to them. I'm just gonna go aside and do something and come up with something different. Okay? So you can
Okay.
just interact with the people.
All right.
Yes, yes, definitely. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining, and extremely sorry for the delays because I take the responsibility. थोड़ा बहुत कच्चा है मेरा काम सब चीजों में.
Big Boss 14 auditions कब से हैं?
अच्छा, आप लोग मतलब बिग बॉस मिस कर रहे हैं, और क्या मिस करते हैं आप कलर्स पर?
Wow, what is that?
Oh, okay, you again. Okay.
Okay. He can't speak, so he has written down something.
You
What?
want
High, low
cards.
cards.
Okay.
You'll have to write it so that.
Okay.
Okay, low, low.
Okay, low.
What is that? 7, 8. Asha.
Maybe 2.
Okay. The heart.
Change.
Chain. No. Okay.
That's a card.
Yeah.
What was your card?
2 of hearts.
2 of heart.
Are you serious? Are you serious? Wow, incredible. Wow,
Good one.
incredible.
2 of hearts, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, like
Oh.
I thought let's start. वो email चला नहीं तो I thought we'll start something interactive, different way.
Okay.
So how you got? Did you like it?
Oh,
Absolutely.
loved it. Wow.
I'm
Yes.
wondering किया क्या है?
Yeah. So how आप लोग कैसा quarantine में, how you guys spending your time? Like just tell us about like how's your normal day happening, like how it is different as compared to normal day, you know, in a celebrity's life as compared to a quarantine day, like how you do, like just a small introduction, your daily.
1/4 जिससे पहले कर रहा था. पहले if I used to take shower for 5 minutes, now I take for 15 minutes. If I used to sleep for 6 hours, now
Okay.
I sleep for 10 hours. So yeah, there's nothing much to do. So we're taking it easy.
And for me, I
Okay,
think
that's correct.
I've never been so involved in the household chores. घर के इतने काम अब पता चल रहा है. I think the highest paid job should be of a housewife or a house caretaker or our mothers. Trust me, इतना काम होता है that we just हम कहते हैं ना, we take our mothers for granted. But trust me, घर का काम
Exactly.
सबसे
Totally agree with you guys.
काम है. So
And I think
our mothers have really done
also
a
to these
great
people.
job.
But surprisingly,
And I
for
think
quite
एक और
quite
चीज,
a lot of time.
everyone.
Sorry, continue.
Yeah, sorry. I think there's a delay, so I can't understand sometimes if you stop talking.
Yeah, so I have lived for a lot of time in Mumbai like that only, where I was at times
Okay.
cleaning my house, cooking my own food, and for quite a while, in fact, for maybe 1.5 years, and I was doing everything
Acha.
on my own because I was going for
I think-
shoots, so I didn't have the staff with whom I can coordinate the time. Sometimes I used to leave at 7 in the morning, and sometimes I used to leave at 9, and there were night shifts. So there was staff, but they were never able to come and help me. So I had to do everything on my own. So no complaints.
Yes, I think एक और चीज, like what I learned is, I come from a very typical family, middle class family from Rajasthan and all. So it's like Balika Vadhu scene, like we have joint family and like and all that. But so जैसे हमको बड़ा किया है, like लड़के को हमेशा खाना बनाना नहीं होना चाहिए, like they should work. But now I realize it's important too, because अगर आप रह रहे हो अकेले तो it's very important to learn all this skill also. So मैं especially ये time spend कर रहा हूँ to learn cooking skill, those skill, not like career wise. Like career wise I'm still enjoying my time away from it, but it's more like learning personality development. So all right, that's very nice of you guys. Let's move to the next one. I have something different, but इस बार थोड़ा interactive करेंगे. So I want magic to feel in your hand right there. Okay, इस बार screen के इस तरफ हो, right? So we'll do something on that side of the screen.
Okay.
But for that I need, do you have a paper with you?
Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah.
Have a paper.
Just connect him with the.
Okay.
Okay, so make it half and give one half to Rubina. So both of you guys have to try this. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So आप दोनों के पास एक sheet of paper होगा, right? Half of it. And एक marker या pen ready रखना अपने पास.
Yeah.
Okay. So give one sheet to Rubina. दोनों, like I want both of you guys to follow me.
Okay. Just let me get a pen.
Yeah. All right. I mean, guys who are joining me, us, आप लोग भी ये चीज try कर सकते हो. So if you guys follow, whoever is commenting, whoever is watching this video, even after the live is ended. So if you follow this instruction, magic should happen right with everyone, whoever watches this video. Okay. We'll try something really different this time. So, yes. All right. Let me just quickly. Okay. Here we are. So, आपके पास sheet है, right? So now I do this. ये trick मैं cards के साथ करता हूँ, right? Playing cards. So since we don't have playing cards, so हम एक playing cards बनाएंगे, but just sort of इलस्ट्रेशन छोटा सा. So we don't need a deck. हमको सिर्फ 4 कार्ड्स चाहिए. Okay?
Okay.
So you have to make 4 cards from this. So like maybe fold it half and like this. Okay, so you tear this. आप इसको ऐसा फाड़ोगे, राइट, और ये आधा. ओके, तो इस तरह से आपके पास 4 कार्ड हो गए बेसिकली. अब मैं जब शो में करता था, आई डू विद प्लेइंग कार्ड, आई डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द प्लेइंग कार्ड. तो मैंने सोचा कि लाइक विल डू विद 4 homemade cards, custom playing cards.
That's very
Okay.
innovative. You know,
And,
you should do what you have.
No, I want to have this. Magic will happen with you. और जब आपके पास 4 cards हो गए, so you have to take marker and
Okay.
just maybe draw something on it, on each card. Like you can write initial also. You can write anything. So you just distinguish the card. Okay. आप cards को अलग बना रहे हो, like. So yeah, perfect. So just maybe write anything on each paper.
Okay.
As
Yeah.
in words, numbers.
Yeah, anything. You can draw shape. You can draw circle, square, triangle, और आप लिख भी सकते हो नंबर 1 2 3 एक एक कार्ड के ऊपर.
Okay.
So मैं नंबर लिख रहा हूँ 1
Okay.
2 3 4. So make sure बड़ा नंबर हो जो भी आप कर रहे हो, तो like because we're gonna tear it, so it's like big.
Okay.
Okay, done. So that's all.
Okay.
Craft and arts and craft उतना ही आज के लिए.
I'm liking it.
Okay, so अब आपके पास बेसिकली सबके पास 4 कार्ड्स है, राइट. अभी कार्ड के ऊपर
Yeah.
वैल्यू क्या है, दैट डजंट मैटर, एज लॉन्ग एज हर एक कार्ड अलग से डिफरेंट है. ओके,
ठीक है.
नाउ डोंट शो मी, आपको भी फॉलो करना है, जस्ट फॉलो माय इंस्ट्रक्शन. ठीक है.
Okay.
अब इन कार्ड को मिक्स करो अपनी मर्जी से.
Hmm.
ठीक है.
Done.
और कार्ड का जो फेस होगा जो आपने ड्रॉ किया है वो आपके साइड होना चाहिए. ठीक है. सो दिस वे.
Correct.
ओके, मिक्स इट, शफल किया. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड डन.
Sorry, we lost you in between. You will have to repeat. We shake a 5 second ka. We lost you in between.
Can you hear?
Yeah. Now I can.
Your videos done?
Done.
Okay.
Done.
I think there's a delay. Done. Okay, perfect. So now shuffle किया आपने, ठीक है. अब सेंटर में पकड़ो इस पूरे डेक को, कार्ड को, और बीच में से फाड़ दो ऐसा, और इस तरह से पकड़ो, और इस तरह से पकड़ो. ठीक है. हाँ, टेयर इट.
Okay.
एग्जैक्टली. ओके, नाउ दिस इज आप दोनों का टेस्ट है. ओके, टेस्ट अबाउट योर लव, टेस्ट अबाउट योर रिलेशनशिप, टेस्ट अबाउट योर honesty, everything. So if you do right, you will see the magic of your relationship. आप दोनों का साथ कितना सच्चा है. Just joking. Okay, we'll see.
Okay.
Okay. So अब ये आपकी मर्जी. Okay, आप दोनों की मर्जी. इसको ऊपर रखो या इसको नीचे रखो, आपकी मर्जी. इसको ऊपर या इसके नीचे. So you will make a stack. एक स्टैक बन जाएगा, आपकी मर्जी, ऊपर या नीचे. ठीक है. अब उल्टा रखना है. अब जैसा मैं कर रहा हूं वैसा करो. ऊपर से टॉप 3 कार्ड लो. 1 2 3.
Okay.
ऊपर से. ठीक है. और इसको किधर भी मिडल में डाल दो, मिडल में डाल दो. तीनों को किधर भी मिडल में डाल दो.
Okay. Done.
ठीक है. डाल दिया.
हाँ.
अब जो ऊपर बचा है, एक चीज में भूल गया, जो ऊपर आपका जो पीस है ऊपर टॉप पर, उसको साइड में अपने पॉकेट में रख दो किधर भी. विल कम टू दैट लेटर. जस्ट कीप दैट वन टॉप कार्ड.
Okay.
ओके,
Hmm.
डन. अब फिर से एक और चीज, ऊपर से आपकी मर्जी. ठीक है. ऊपर से 1 कार्ड, 2 कार्ड या 3 कार्ड. आप 1 कार्ड ले सकते हो, 2 कार्ड ले सकते हो, 3 कार्ड ऊपर से, आपकी मर्जी. ठीक है, ले लो, आपकी मर्जी. 1 कार्ड या 2 कार्ड या 3 कार्ड
ठीक है.
ऊपर से. वापिस से मिडल में डाल दो इसको.
मिडिल में मतलब 2 के बीच, 3
किधर
के
भी
बीच कहीं.
मिडल में. हाँ, किधर भी बीच में. इट
ठीक है.
अप्रोक्सीमेटली.
Done.
ओके. अब जो टॉप कार्ड है आपके पास, आप दोनों एक दूसरे से एक्सचेंज करो,
हाँ,
और जो आपको रिटर्न मिल रहा है, वो वापिस मिडल में किधर भी,
Okay.
ठीक है।
ये लो।
अब लास्ट एक्सरसाइज अगेन, योर चॉइस, यू कैन टेक 1, 2 और 3 कार्ड, और यू कैन डू नथिंग, आपकी चॉइस। इफ यू आर टायर्ड, डू नथिंग, और इफ यू स्टिल वांट, यू कैन टेक 1, 2 और 3 टॉप कार्ड एंड पुट इट समवेयर इन द मिडल, ठीक है।
Okay.
डन।
Okay.
Okay, so now we'll
Done.
we'll come to my मेरे स्कूल के टाइम एक बहुत फेवरेट गेम था. It used to be called She Loves Me or She Loves Me Not. You might have heard about that game, right? आपने सुना है गेम? Right? हम रोज के साथ खेलते थे. So we'll do with yes. So we'll do this with this card specially, okay? So what we will do is
ठीक है जी.
we'll say she loves me, तो ये कार्ड नीचे जाएगा एकदम बॉटम पे, ठीक है. एंड शी लव्स मी नॉट, जो लव्स मी नॉट रहेगा उसको नीचे फेंक देंगे, गिरा दो. तो फॉलो विथ मी, आप करो. जब शी लव्स मी,
She loves me
शी लव्स
नीचे.
मी नॉट, शी लव्स
He
मी,
loves me not. एक सेकंड.
Okay.
शी
He
लव्स
loves
मी,
me. He not. He loves me. He loves me.
तीन बार हो गया ना?
so come till the last piece you
Okay, till the
last
last.
में एक, so you will be left with one paper, right? Go back
Correct.
now,
He loves me. He loves
go
me.
back to one piece that you
He
saved.
loves me. He loves me.
Go back to
Save,
that one
अच्छा.
piece that you
Okay. हाँ.
Got it.
मैच हुआ आपका.
बिल्कुल.
मेरा भी.
Show us. Exactly. And Rubina?
Gratitude.
Okay. Exactly. So आप लोगों ने टेस्ट पास कर लिया सबकी. So this is how, आप सबके पास choice different थी. We made, we mixed it thoroughly, everything, but still you ended up with the same card, right?
Fantastic.
That is
Fantastic.
how life is, if you really
Magic.
believe in yourself or in each other.
Yeah. It's all about beliefs.
आवाज आ रहा है क्या मेरा?
हाँ, अब आ रहा है. Yeah.
आवाज आ रहा है?
Yeah.
Okay. So actually मैंने क्या किया ना, when I was doing that trick, वो जो ट्रिक कर रहा था मैं, so I actually conditioned you. अब आपको मैंने hypnotize किया, आपको पता नहीं चला वीडियो पे. Did you realize?
है? अच्छा.
Okay. I'll prove that. So I have an
Okay,
envelope
prove it.
with me. Okay. I have an envelope with
ठीक
me.
है.
Okay. I have an envelope with me. उसके अंदर एक पेपर है. There is a
Okay.
paper inside. Okay. And
Alright.
I'll just put it inside. See, I'll just bring it inside. Okay. This paper goes inside. अब Rubina,
Yeah.
मैंने आपका mind condition कर दिया. So I'll, show you a demonstration that how I condition. I wrote something in this envelope. Okay, maybe we'll take. We don't want to play with cards. So think about any number between 1 to 100.
Thought.
Okay, say the number.
26.
50.
No. 26.
26.
One number only.
Eight
Huh?
Okay, no.
Number.
So first we'll try with Rubina. 26. Okay. Just one number.
Okay.
Just one number.
Yeah.
26.
Yeah, 20.
Final choice. You can change your
26.
mind. So इसको और difficult करने के लिए you can again switch to other number if you
No.
want. Final choice.
No, it's fine.
26.
Yeah.
पक्का? So what made
Pakka.
you to say 26? What
It's
made
my
you like
birthday number.
any
Birthday
reason?
date.
Birthday.
Okay, so that's fine, right? Now this I wrote it like, you know, I was in the sleep. मैंने अपने दिमाग से लिखा, पता नहीं, like it was धुंधला धुंधला. I don't know. So I'm gonna remove it from this. Okay, you can clearly see. Okay.
Okay.
What I want to do is just read what it says clearly.
Choose the 26 number. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Seriously? How did that happen?
Mind reading.
Unbelievable. How did that happen?
That was brilliant.
Mind reading? Wow. Brilliant.
Chalo, now my turn.
Blown.
So I'll show. We'll do with Abhinav as well.
Okay.
We'll read his mind also.
Okay.
You know, since both of you were that, let me try something more interesting. Actually, you know, जो
Oh my
card,
god, it's getting intense.
like this time we'll try something different. So Abhinav, you have your phone with you, right? आप
Yes.
Instagram use करते हो? You use Instagram, right? Okay, so take your phone, and what I want you to do is go to my Instagram. So open Instagram and open my profile, Javed_magic. That's my Instagram profile. Let me know once you have the profile open.
_magic. Yeah, it's open.
Yeah. Okay, now if you like this magic, you have to follow me. Okay, if it works properly.
Yes.
Good
Okay.
one.
सोचा मैं भी थोड़ा marketing कर लूँ मेरी account के लिए. Okay, so if you like this trick or if it works, this experiment, you have to follow me. Okay, so if
Okay,
you
done.
see in my bio, there is a URL, right? I have made a list. So if you see in
Yes.
my bio, there will be a link. So click on that link, open that link. I've made a list of famous Indian actors. Okay, so let me know once
Okay.
the link opens. Link
It's
open
open.
हुआ?
Yeah.
Okay, now you can see there are like, you know, what do you call, list of 100 actors, right? Exactly. So scroll through. ठीक है, आपको अभी टाइप किधर कुछ नहीं करना. Now I made a list because I don't want you to type anything somewhere. या कार्ड चूज नहीं करना. So this is pure mind, your pure mind, okay, in your thought. So now
Okay.
scroll through and just stop at one actor which you like random any actor. Just scroll through and stop at anyone, whichever you want, like.
मेरा नाम नहीं है ना, तो मैं फॉलो नहीं करूंगा.
हाँ, नहीं. You can choose voluntarily someone or randomly. It's up to you. और बताना मत. Okay, don't tell me. You
ठीक है.
stop. ठीक है?
Just second.
Final choice.
Just second.
Yeah. कोई भी एक एक्टर पकड़ लो.
पकड़ लिया.
Final choice.
Final choice.
Okay. Now close your phone.
Okay.
Like, we don't want any trace or anything. Just remember the actor you have. And
ठीक है.
मेरा phone तो like it's live on there. Okay. ठीक है, that's fine. Now ये तो आपने अपने मर्जी से choose किया, right? Something happened in your mind. What happened? How the processing was happening? क्या चल रहा था तुम्हारे दिमाग? lag हो रहा है. Can you hear me? आवाज आ रही है
अब
आपको?
ठीक है. Yeah, now we can.
आवाज आ रही है? Sorry, I think the network is issue. लैग हो रहा है. वीडियो बहुत लैग हो रहा है. आवाज आ रही है आपको? हाँ, I can hear you now.
Yes, we can hear you.
हाँ, अब ठीक है.
Hello, can you hear me? दिख रहा है आपको?
Yes, clearly.
Okay. All right. So we'll go back to that. अब normally card trick में या manipulation में how it happens, I force you, like I may do a sleight of hand या something, you know, कुछ secret होता है. But this was you purely looking at some information. आपने type ही नहीं किया कुछ, right? So there is no exchange of information. आपने सिर्फ decision लिया, right? आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था, शायद रुबीना को भी मालूम नहीं आप क्या सोच रहे थे. So I'm gonna go back, have peek in your mind. मैं आपके दिमाग के अंदर घुस के आपको बताऊंगा कि क्या चल रहा था. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. ठीक है. So what you thought is, let me have a look proper. आपने लिस्ट ओपन किया, आपने देखा, आपको झलक दिखाई थी, you know, सबसे पहला वर्ड आपको दिखा ऋतिक रोशन, क्विकली लाइक इनवॉलंटरी आपको दिखा, ठीक है. फिर आप स्क्रॉल कर रहे तो आपको अमिताभ बच्चन दिखा, वो भी आपका जाना पहचाना एक्टर है, सब लोग जानते हैं. आपने और स्क्रॉल किया, घुमाया, फिर और थोड़ा रैंडमली ट्राई किया, फिर आप एक डिसीजन पे आए. ओके. सो अभी ना आपने एक एक्टर ने, बट लाइक ही इज माय फेवरेट डांसर आल्सो, सो आप उस पे रुके एंड यू थॉट, यू नो, कि इसको चूज करूं, सेलेक्ट करूं, लाइक यू नो. सो यू स्टॉप्ड एट प्रभुदेवा. ओके. फिर आपने सोचा कि एक मिनट रुको, कोई भी एक्टर चूज करता, तो आपने और घुमाया. यू आर लुकिंग फॉर समवन यू रियली इंस्पायर, और लाइक, यू नो, जिसका काम आपको अच्छा लगता है, लाइक समवन यू रियली लुक, यू नो, फॉलो. सो देन यू नो, उसका और मेरा सरनेम भी सेम है, राइट? So then you finally made your mind that you will stick with Amir Khan. That's what it feels like.
ये तो जोल है. ये
How on the earth did that happen?
very interesting software this is, huh? मैं भी डालूंगा अपनी प्रोफाइल पे.
No, it's not a
Sir, I'm
software.
following you.
It's a link. It's a URL. I made a list.
Wow.
So this is like I came up. Like I can't send you a list, right? So normally when I do in a show, I show it a list on a board or something. So I thought,
Okay.
let's do it virtually. That's what virtual. Like that's what it is. But आपने तो information किधर type नहीं किया, right? It was you just looking at information, and then you ended up at one thing, and a series of information. What
Wow.
happened, right? So tell me if I was wrong at anywhere. What went through your mind?
No. Yeah, but Prabhudeva, I was thinking something else, not exactly.
Actor, like
Prabhudeva.
okay. Let's do something more visual now. Like, you know, mind reading बहुत हो गया, mind battles बहुत हो गया. Like, you know, you guys might then फिर you'll not give me any information. You won't talk to me also. Like, कि पता नहीं बातों में क्या निकलवा दे. ठीक है?
But you are unbelievable, huh? Very
Thank
good.
you. Thanks. So let's try something more interesting actually. Okay. You know, so this is a different take. Actually, how it happens. Now,
Okay.
जब मैंने start किया तो card मेरे मुंह में था, तो you didn't know, like, you know, what is happening. Now I'm gonna actually show you that there is a folded card inside this. ये अंगूठी का box है. So I've kept. Okay.
Okay.
So now you have a choice. You can choose any random card. Choose any
Okay.
card.
Both of us या फिर एक?
If whichever. I just want one card value.
अच्छा ठीक है. Okay.
Which one?
Okay.
Yes.
It's the 10 of hearts.
10 of hearts. Now, since if you want, you can make it more difficult. You can change your mind. So you can change to something else also.
Okay. I'm
There is
saying.
only one card. You want to change it?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. That's what. So there's only make
Changed.
random, like not an obvious card. Which one?
Changed.
One sir. So it's Jack of Diamond. So 11 is
Yeah.
basically
No,
11
it's
Jack of
11.
Diamond, right?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So there is no 11.
Correct.
There is no
Correct,
11.
correct.
So there is
Sorry.
Jack, right?
Yeah.
Again, I'm giving you choice. Nobody will give you that much choice. You can change again if you want, or your final decision.
नहीं, final lock किया जाए.
Final? final. Okay, 11. That is 11 of diamonds. So that is Jack of diamonds, right? So I'll open this card. Watch. Okay. Okay.
Okay. No.
Unbelievable.
Damn, that's too cool, man. Shit.
Yeah. Jack of diamonds. So
Oh my god.
you
Oh
choose
my
first 10 of hearts and then you change your mind. So it's totally,
Wow.
or I don't know, मैं तुम्हारा mind divert कर रहा था what you have to end up on.
Wow.
You really play tricks very well. Oh my god, you're a trickster.
Thank you so much. Thanks. But Abhinav, I didn't forget about that follow. So you have to follow me.
I already did.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
But मेरा नाम भी डालो उस list में.
Yeah, sure. I'll add that as well. And so I hope let's get like maybe I'll just switch to some questions we have. Let's see.
Okay.
Make it more interesting little bit. Okay, what questions we have? All right. I think we have. Let's see. Somebody's asking, hi Rubina Deep, please reply.
Hi.
Tanu Rathod.
Yeah, Tanur Rathod. Hi, Tanur. Hope you're doing good and you're healthy and safe. Please take care of yourself.
Okay. And somebody asked, Rubina, who's your favorite actor?
My
they
favorite
know,
actor?
From Abhinav, but they want to know from Rubina.
Okay.
My favorite actor, I think I have 4-5 of them, but I would say Amir Khan. Go with the same choice.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Your magic is still working.
It's still lingering.
Okay. So आप लोगों के पास वो रिंग का बॉक्स था तो मैंने इसमें से रिंग I just like this is a ring, okay? Just
Okay.
like a normal ring, and you can see there is nothing in my hand also, okay?
Okay.
So I think you can see from here. Okay, this is. So कभी आपने time stop होते हुए देखा है, like how it will look like if you have control over time, like even if you stop for a second or 2 seconds, just science fiction movies में हम देखते हैं X-Men में और Hollywood movies में where Doctor Strange he does his magic that way. So like if something would look like how it would look like. Okay, I'll show you. Let me just show a bit more. Yeah, that's fine. So that's like, so this is a ring. मेरे हाथ आजू बाजू कुछ भी नहीं है. Like I can show, and you can see everything clearly. Okay.
Okay.
Nothing in my hand.
Okay.
If the ring falls, and look carefully, okay? If the ring falls a normal time like this, okay? This is what happens, okay? यही होता है, ठीक है? So
Correct.
if the ring fall and if I have control over time, what will it look like? 1, 2, 3. Right?
Wow.
Did you see like for 2 seconds it stopped, like time stopped?
Yeah.
Now
Wow.
talking about that, let's एक और कुछ interesting चीज I'll show you. So I have different cards.
आपने specially चश्मे पहने थे that I'm not gonna miss anything. I'll catch you with the tricks.
Yes. So this is what. So this is now we are going into more visual, like जहाँ पे your eyes don't believe what you are seeing, basically.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
you can see there are all different cards, right?
Correct.
So say stop wherever you like.
Stop.
Here,
Mhm.
पक्का? ठीक है?
पक्का.
ये card will have a look. This card. Okay, we'll take
ठीक है.
this card. Okay. And I had a marker actually. So this is your choice. Yeah, I have this marker.
Okay.
So now, Rubina, look carefully, okay? जो होने वाला you won't believe what's gonna happen. So I'll take this marker. Now watch from both angles. Yeah, this is, you can see there's only one single card.
Correct.
Okay, watch. Okay, so
Okay.
science fiction movie में होता है ना like teleportation, right? So now the teleportation will happen. Not only this, actually, if you look carefully, I'll show you more precisely. So if you actually bend time also, sorry, you can see, right? If you
Yes.
actually bend time, you will be able to see sometime they say from both dimensions.
Wow.
Not only this, you can actually see when the time you have a control over, you can see
Okay.
actually what happens. Okay, watch.
Mhm.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
I thought they were two magnets
Yeah,
which
it
you
looks
slid
like.
by. But then
Where?
I realized वो तो तुमने बीच से निकाल दिया. ऐसे कैसे हो गया? दो magnets तो
Magnet.
साइड से जाने चाहिए.
How?
हाँ, I know.
Wow.
Oh God.
I hope you don't have a guy sitting with, that VFX station and he's doing special effects in real time. एक थोड़ा कैमरा इधर पैन करके दिखाना.
Yeah, of course.
Wow, man, that was cool. Brilliant.
Incredible.
Brilliant.
You are superb. Superb.
Thanks. So we'll go to that email one. Let me try
Okay.
last one more thing. A very interesting way to do this. I wanted to do this one. Let's try again with your email. So I'm gonna send you again. Try to send an email.
I think I got the mail. I got
So
the
that's
mail.
fine. Ignore that. Ignore that email. Ignore that
Okay.
email. I'm gonna try again. Send you a new one.
Okay.
Let me know when you receive it. Just don't
Okay.
open the email.
I won't.
Okay.
Yeah, got it.
Okay. So don't open the email. We'll just
Okay.
remember the time that you received the email, 6:53, and we'll come back to it like 5 minutes later or later on. But
Okay, done.
in the meantime, I'll show you one more thing very special. Okay. So
Okay.
again, this is something very interesting. Like I did it in my show. I did it in my finale. So like many people like to see it like real time happening. So again, all cards are different, right? So this is again mind bending reality. Okay, what will happen? You have to analyze. So look carefully every time. Okay, इस बार देखना कि कुछ मैग्नेट वैग्नेट या like कुछ दूसरा theory you can say. So say stop wherever you like.
Stop.
Here,
Okay.
okay. So this card will take. Okay, this first card.
Okay. Okay.
And I'll make this card actually unique so that we know that I'm not changing the card. मतलब मैं card change नहीं कर रहा हूँ या कोई दूसरा मुझे switch नहीं कर रहा है या VFX नहीं हो रहा है. Okay, so I'll actually sign it from here to here.
Okay.
Okay. आप लोगों ने खाना खाया? कैसा था? खाना अच्छा था, बढ़िया था?
Oh,
हाँ, बढ़िया था.
Lovely, yeah. मैंने खाया नहीं लेकिन I'm still a little bit hungry. So
Okay.
as a magician, I play with card, I sleep with card, I eat cards also.
I can eat cards.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you again a mind-bending illusion or actual real. So I do this in real, okay, like in my show. Okay, so I'm gonna actually tear it. Actually, I'll show you like this. So you can
Okay.
see clearly. Okay. This is
How does-
yum. This is what it's
how
called.
does
Yum.
it taste?
I bet it is yum.
You better it should be cooked, man. You should have cooked it.
No, it's like sushi.
That's sushi.
See, it's still there.
Okay.
Killer bee. Okay. Now watch. Okay. It's the same card.
No way.
How much ever alert I want to be, and I just want to catch your trick, the more you just make me delusional.
That's mind blowing. That's
Like,
brilliant, man.
Again, fused together.
That's brilliant.
Thank you.
Amazing.
So now we will just thank you so much. We'll end something more interesting way. So
Okay.
Abhinav, so this time I'll आप दोनों को involve करूँगा इस trick में, ठीक है? आप दोनों की choices. So Abhinav or Rubina, think you are in a dream. Something,
Okay.
anything you can dream of. Okay. So
Okay.
if you are meeting, or if you want to go to a country which you never before, or I don't know. So कौन सी
Okay.
जगह, country, city, anything it could be. Where you want to go? So बताओ किधर जाना चाहते हो?
Normandy, France.
France. France. Okay. आपको change करना mind?
नहीं.
France पक्का?
पक्का.
Okay. And France में ठीक है, रूबीना आप दोनों साथ में गए. And you meet your favorite superstar, like it could be anyone, like actor, athlete, anyone. Who would you like to meet in France? आप दोनों किसको मिलना? आमिर खान को छोड़ेंगे क्योंकि that is obvious choice. We know the information. So you can change something
France में
else.
international star लेते हैं.
Leonardo DiCaprio.
Leonardo.
Hmm.
Leonardo. So do you want to meet someone else? Why Leonardo?
No, because he's my favorite actor.
Okay. Of course, I also like his Inception and Catch Me If You Can. Leonardo. Okay.
Yes.
And so Rubina, I come to you now.
Mhm.
You want to take Leonardo on a date, like not a romantic date, but still as a crush, like if you.
Yeah, of course.
So where would you take, like any restaurant, like just the name of a restaurant you want to think?
France में I don't know what restaurants.
It's fine, like any
I
culinary restaurant also fine, like Chinese or whatever restaurant.
I think maybe like a small cafe kinds where we can just have like wine and sit and watch the sunset.
Okay, small
That's
cafe,
very
like okay, take it. Chalo, we'll take it as a small cafe, like you have normally in
Yeah.
tourist place and all.
Yeah, local cafes.
And if you have to order something special, one special for Leonardo, what you will order? Like food item.
Food, tiramisu.
Tiramisu. It's like that
He
dessert,
doesn't
right?
eat that.
Yeah.
It's that dessert. I think मैंने भी कभी खाया
Yeah,
था.
it's a dessert. Yeah.
I didn't like it.
I love tiramisu. Maybe that's why I want to order it.
even Leonardo doesn't like it.
But that's fine. So this was completely you thought right now, right? अभी आपने सोचा. We didn't inform this exchange this information. I never knew that you would order tiramisu, France में Leonardo and all
Correct.
that, right?
Now,
And
should I check my mail?
oh yeah, we'll come to that. So
Okay.
go back. Okay, let's do that then. Go back and check. Open the email, the recent one that you received. Like I
Okay.
sent you, I think 5 or 6 minutes back.
Okay. So I'm opening the one at 1853.
Yeah, the last one, whatever the last you received, that was in past, right? I send you a screenshot of something. Can you read the email? आप email read कर सकते हो?
मुझे
screenshot, and it's actually a screenshot. I'll show you a screenshot. I wrote it in my notes app, and I took a screenshot of it, and then I sent you. Where it is? Yeah, this is the screenshot. Like, I don't know if you can see properly.
Yeah, I can.
Right, in my notes app. So can you read what is the email that you received? Like, that was in past, right?
I had a dream last night that I was in France for the weekend and I met the superstar Leonardo. I took them out for dinner at small cafe restaurant and we ordered tiramisu. It was delicious.
So Leonardo liked it actually.
Oh, he loved it! Oh my god, this is insane!
Mind blowing.
All right. So thank you so much. I mean, starting में आपका email चला नहीं, or like I think there was network issue. So basically, I wanted to send you this email an hour
Correct.
before at the start of the show, and then we ended like. So I just thought like I'll send you again the screenshot, but that outcome would be different. But after I spoke to you, and then I thought something else, and then I sent you that email.
Unbelievable,
Okay.
unbelievable.
So yeah, I think we should just wrap. I think आज के लिए बहुत
आज के लिए बहुत
हो
है.
गया.
नींद ही नहीं आएगी आज तो.
Thank you so much.
That was brilliant, man. That was amazing. Whatever you did
Thanks.
was mind.
Thank you,
Seamless.
thank you.
Yeah.
So how was it like? Have you so इसके पहले कभी magic show आपने देखा? Like, have you experienced match? I mean, it's much more different when you do it live. So ये सब कार्ड और जो भी खाने का होता है ये आपके हाथों में होता है. Like, you hold it and I chew it and I eat.
Correct.
But I mean, yes, a few magic shows जो मैंने witness किए, but nothing like it, and nothing like it. Why? Because virtually it is, वो कहते हैं ना, the distance and understanding. It's just amazing. So
Thanks so much.
I mean, whatever you
And I hope everyone
you're doing it
enjoyed
10 on 10.
the video.
Yeah, guys, you can thank him.
Yeah, he's really. You made my evening. I can definitely say that.
Brilliant, man. Loved it. Seriously. So seamless what you did.
अच्छा होगा.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can
Yeah,
contact
I
Pankaj.
I would want to, but होता है मुझे करना है. ऐसा.
Yeah, of
live.
course. Live is something different. So
One-on-one.
बहुत कुछ होता है, like, you know, when I eat the cards or the card falls from this, so it actually happens in your hand. You have it in your hand, and you say off a card and you drop it. It comes out whatever card you think of.
Brilliant.
Imagine that way.
Brilliant.
So, how I hope everyone enjoyed the show.
Absolutely. Once again, mind blowing.
Thank you so much. So thank you so much, Rubina Abhinav, for joining us
Thank you.
today.
Thanks for your time, man.
And, I hope everyone stays safe inside and, you know, just be at home.
Yeah.
What would you like to say, like, before going? Any final thoughts?
Final thoughts is that I'll keep thinking about what you have done for days and how you did it, and I won't be able to figure out. So brilliant, man.
And yes, I think whatever it is, like a magic trick or something, but I truly believe in like miracles and magic. I believe in
Of
that.
course.
I think in life we should also expect miracles or little magic happening, and we should just keep ourselves aware for it. So it just
Yes.
gives our life more hope and more meaning. So I think
You never know. We end up meeting Leonardo in Normandy.
and have tiramisu.
Story. Yeah. I mean, I truly agree with Rubina. Magic, or for that matter, any kind of art form. Basically, like, you know, acting, dancing. For me, like, मेरे लिए, so my story was, you know, I was into depression. I came from a small family and all, and I was looking for a distraction. So this, all what you experienced, nobody has taught me. This is all self-learned and
Wow.
self-information. So it's all learned on, you know, online, everything. And but yeah, like, you know, if you don't follow me, follow your dreams, follow your passions.
Correct.
So,
That's the magic that happened with your depression coming into your life. It changed your life, and trust me, you're doing a
Yeah.
very good job because you
Yeah,
bring
that's what-
hope. You bring hope and light through your magic in so many. I mean, मैं ये live session आने से पहले तक I had a very normal kind of a day. You know, reading, cooking, cleaning. Trust me, these 45 minutes have just, the energy level has just gone to some another level. So I think you're doing a great job with it. And following your dream,
Thank you.
you're making people believe in their own dreams. So great job.
Brilliant, man. Yeah.
Thank you. I think that's very kind of, as a magician, what more I could have, as a feedback from guys enjoying the magic. That's what. So thank you so much for joining us, and keep the magic
you.
on screen like that always. And
Magic
guys,
alive.
follow them, give them love, watch their shows. Choti Bahu, I think Choti Bahu was, my mom used to watch that. So when my mom saw the picture of it, she said, "Hey, she's that girl from the Choti Bahu." I like my mom and
That
my
was 12
grandmom. They
years
are
back.
in Rajasthan,
Yeah,
so they
now
watch.
yes, now last that I had with colors was Shakti. I mean,
Yeah.
we've had a wonderful association. Yes.
Great. Thank you so much once again, and I hope you have a nice day.
Thank
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Yes, thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. You too. You too. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Everyone, I hope you enjoyed this show. We'll do something different, more interesting next session में और कुछ नया आएगा, something more interesting. So stay tuned for updates on Colors Instagram page. Keep following, and thank you so much. Bye.